Welcome to SHIN Trips OTA. As a new user, first I have to sign up on the SHIN website. To do that, I have to fill out the online form and confirm that I'm not a robot. And here we are. Now I can plan my itinerary. For example, let's say that I'm in Paris. And from Paris, I want to go to Johannesburg in South Africa. Now I have to confirm how many nights I'm planning to stay there. Let's say 3 nights, for example. Afterwards, I'd like to travel to Muscat in Oman and the Middle East. And here we go. I want to stay 5 nights in Muscat. Afterwards, I might be willing to travel to another country in the Middle East, maybe Tehran in Iran. I suppose 3 nights might be enough time to spend in Tehran. Then, I'm going back home. Now that I've picked all the airline tickets, I can filter and change them according to my schedule. Now all my flights have been confirmed. I check them again, and everything's fine. Well, I also need accommodation. In Johannesburg, there are lots of choices. I confirm what the system has already picked for me. In Muscat, the offer is a 4-star hotel, which is good. But in Tehran, I want to choose another hotel. Let's see. Here, I can change the hotel. I also want to add 2 tours to my trip. Sightseeing, maybe. Let's see what's available. In Johannesburg, they offer a full-day nature tour. I want this one, so I add it to my itinerary. Now the system asks me what day during my stay I want to have this nature tour. I say Friday. Then I want to have another tour in Muscat and Oman. There's a safari tour in the desert. I also pick the day, and I have this tour. We're done. Now it's time to pick the airport transfers. At this point, I can choose any type of airport transfer services. Pick me up from the airport, drop me off at the airport. Well, I can even add rent-a-car, but not now. At this point, I'm done with my planning. However, I don't want to book it yet because I need to check with my friend to make sure that it works for her too. That is why the option of saving the plan is available. I pick a name for the plan, save it, and now I can share it with whoever I want via email, Twitter, or Facebook. If all is good, I can always proceed with the booking. If not, I can edit and share it again. The system will always update the available hotels, tickets, and rates at any time that I want to see the plan. All I need to do is to double-check the information and the details of the booking, and then I can confirm. I also have to fill in the data for my friend who is joining me. I can always go back once I'm logged in and make any changes that I need. Now all I need to do is to pick my preferred online payment method. And there you go. I've successfully planned my own trip.